Potatoes begin their journey long before the factory doors open.
Modern farming relies on precision as much as scale.
Each potato is gently separated from the earth. Excess soil is removed before transport begins. Harvested crops are gathered for the next stage. Careful handling prevents damage from the very beginning. The harvest is prepared for long-distance travel.
Final checks ensure stability on the road.
The journey to processing begins here.
Distance separates farms from factories.
Agriculture meets industry at this boundary.
Access is regulated before materials enter production.
Precise positioning prevents handling errors.
Verification ensures traceability from farm to factory.
Heavy loads are transferred with care.
Positioning accuracy protects equipment and product. Gravity starts the internal journey. Flow control keeps processing stable. Transport systems guide every movement.
Foreign materials are removed early.
Excess moisture is eliminated.
Surface contaminants are washed away. The processing facility operates around the clock. Flow direction is carefully managed. The process shifts fully indoors. Preparation for cleaning begins here.
Scale defines modern food production.
Cleaning systems await incoming potatoes. Conditions are standardized for processing.
The next phase prepares potatoes for transformation.
Water is reused under strict controls.
Cleaned potatoes continue forward.
Byproducts are handled separately.
A final rinse prepares potatoes for cutting.
Precision slicing defines chip shape.
Consistency begins at the cut.
Controlled flow prepares slices for transformation. Cutting completes the transition from whole potato to chip.
Sliced potatoes transition into controlled processing.
Surface starch is reduced before cooking. Controlled rinsing improves final texture.
Temperature balance prepares slices for cooking.
Even conditioning ensures consistent cooking.
Slices are now ready for heat.
Cooking systems dominate this stage.
Cooking begins in seconds. Heat transforms structure and texture. Precision controls ensure uniform cooking.
Excess oil is removed immediately.
Cooling stabilizes the cooked chips.
Chips advance to flavoring. Core processing sets the foundation for the final product. Packaging begins with precision alignment. Containers are shaped continuously with industrial accuracy. Every container starts with a secure foundation.
Quality control begins before the first chip enters.
Alignment ensures fragile stacks are handled safely. Every unit is checked for consistency.
Freshness is locked inside each package.
Every seal is verified automatically.
Traceability is embedded in every canister.
Weight ensures each unit contains the right quantity.
Automation enforces standards without interruption. Individual units become organized shipments.
Every package carries clear branding.
Packaging begins with precise alignment. Potato chips are now ready for final dispatch.
Packaging begins with precise alignment.
Products transition into bulk packaging.
Final seals secure every shipment unit. Controlled pressure completes the closure process.
Uniform alignment prepares cartons for palletizing.
Precision flow maximizes efficiency. Automation builds stable pallet loads. Every pallet meets exact specifications. Protection begins with controlled wrapping.
Loads are secured for transport stability.
Final wrap locks everything in place.
Each pallet is digitally identifiable.
Finished goods are moved with care. Production flows into organized storage. Inventory is positioned for dispatch.
Digital systems track every movement.
Finished products advance toward shipment.
The production journey reaches its final loading point.
Finished potato chips are loaded for distribution.
The shipment is secured for transport. Distribution begins at the loading center.
And this is how modern factories produce stacked potato chips from start to finish.